Hi, and welcome to the fourth section of this course. In this section, we'll talk about how we can visually manage our repositories. So we will talk about the gitk and how we can see with gitk the full history of the repository. We will talk about the git GUI, and we will see how we can use git GUI to create a commit and see the difference between your working copy and the stage area. And at the end of the section, we will use a file merge to better understand and to solve a conflict. So let's start talking about the gitk. In this video, we'll see how we can start gitk, and as well, we will see several tasks that we can do inside the gitk, like create a tag, see a diff, or cherry pick one commit. There are so many tools that can be used to visually managing our repository. Some of the tools are free, some of the tools are not free, and I selected for this video to talk about gitk. Gitk it's free and was the first UI tool that was created together with Git. One interesting thing about gitk is that it's installed together with Git. So whenever you install a Git on your machine, you also install a gitk. So you don't need to install third-party software. To run gitk, we just need to execute the command gitk on our terminal. And this is the UI of the tool. One downside of this tool is that the UI is, let me say, not up to date. The one that you see here is not even the default UI. I managed to change some fonts and some colors. You can do the same from the menu. You go to Preference, and then there are colors and fonts. On the top part of this tool, we can see the list of commits. So we have here the initial commit that we can select. Then we can select this commit here. And for each commit, we have a label. So this commit is a master. And as well, this commit is the tag version 0.1. So the ZL1 is a tag. When we select a commit, what we have here below is the difference that was introduced with this commit. So I can select the update layout, and I see here below that this commit introduced some changes on the CSS file and as well on the index.html file. One thing that maybe is not easy to spot is that at this moment we are only seeing one branch. We are only seeing the master branch because this is the default behavior of gitk. We can close gitk and we can reopen gitk passing the --all option. And now we can see the full list of branches that are on this repository. But how we operate inside this tool? Most of the command you will find with a right click directly on the commit. If I right click on this update layout, I have several options. Some of the options are not selectable because are not appropriate at this moment. Some others are selectable. So for example, I can create a tag. I click here on create a tag and I specify version 0.2, create a tag. And now we can see that here on this commit we have two tags. Another interesting thing is that I can mark this commit. So I can mark this commit. This commit gets a solid border. And then when I select another commit, like for example this one, I can check the difference with the marked one. Or in case, for example, we have a big history and a lot of commits, and we marked one commit and now we don't find any more that commit, we can right click again and go to return to mark. And we are back on the master. One of the options that is available is also the cherry pick. Now the master is the current branch. I can select this commit that is on the develop branch, right click, and I can select the cherry pick this commit.